Quantum entanglement. Spooky action at a distance. Imagine you have two coins. You flip them once and then separate them by light years. The instant one lands on heads, the other lands on tails. Immediately. No delay. No signal. This is quantum entanglement. Two particles can become so deeply linked that measuring one instantly affects the other, no matter the distance. Not faster than light. Instant. Einstein called it spooky action at a distance. Because if this is true, then reality isn't local. It's interconnected at a level we don't yet understand. Dark matter and dark energy. We only see 5% of the universe. Everything you've ever touched, every star, planet, and galaxy, every thought you've ever had, makes up just 5% of the universe. The other 95% is invisible. Dark matter holds galaxies together. Dark energy is pushing the universe apart, faster and faster. We can't see it. We can't touch it. We can't directly interact with it. Yet it controls the fate of everything. We are living inside a vast, invisible ocean, aware only of a tiny, glowing ripple on the surface. Your brain creates reality and can be fooled. You don't experience reality directly. Your eyes don't see. Your ears don't hear. Your brain receives electrical signals and builds a best-guess simulation of the world. Colors don't exist out there. Sounds don't exist out there. Even time doesn't exist the way it feels. Optical illusions aren't mistakes in your eyes, they're mistakes in your brain's interpretation, which means your entire life is experienced inside a carefully controlled hallucination, and no two people live in the exact same one. The Planck length, the smallest possible thing. There's a limit to how small reality can get. It's called the Planck length, 10 to the negative 35th meters. So small that if an atom were the size of the observable universe, a Planck length would still be smaller than a tree. At this scale, space and time break apart. They stop behaving smoothly. Reality becomes grainy, pixelated, foamy. Space isn't continuous. There are gaps between the pixels. Time is an illusion, the block universe. We feel time flowing, past behind us, future ahead. But many physicists believe time doesn't move at all. Instead, all moments, past, present, and future, exist simultaneously, like a book already written. You don't move through time. You experience it one page at a time. Your future self already exists. Your past self is still there, living that moment right now. The now is just where your consciousness happens to be focused. Quantum indeterminacy. Nothing is real until observed. At the quantum level, particles don't have definite properties. They aren't here or there. They aren't this or that. They exist as all possibilities at once, until they're observed. In the famous double-slit experiment, particles act like waves when unobserved. But the moment you look, they snap into particles. Observation doesn't just reveal reality, it creates it. Reality collapses from possibility into certainty because something looked. The deeper we dig, the stranger reality becomes. What feels solid dissolves. What feels permanent flickers. What feels obvious turns impossible. Maybe the greatest illusion isn't time or matter or space. Maybe it's our belief that we understand reality at all.